5.3 billion tons. That's how much carbon dioxide is released by forest fires every year. To put that in perspective, the average elephant weighs 5 tons. And in the blink of an eye, over 12 elephants worth of carbon dioxide is emitted from forest fires. By the time this video is over 6,000 elephants worth will have been released. I'm Kayvon Hajimiri, a high school sophomore currently attending Polytechnic School in the United States. The project I'll be presenting today is EmberAlert. I designed EmberAlert to stop or withhold the spread of forest fires, using infrared sensors for short range and temperature and humidity sensors for longer range. EmberAlert detects fires and alerts nearby fire departments and those with homes at risk. So, how does it work? Well, there are really two central concepts, the first of which is detection. The way EmberAlert figures out if there is a fire is through sensor fusion. In order to understand why this is necessary, let's understand how Kalman filters work. The Kalman filter combines the accurate long-term heat index with the noisy short-term infrared reading. This way we create a more accurate measurement. But how does it do this? First, it makes a prediction about the state of the system. For example, whether there is a fire or not. Next, it takes the measurements from both sensors. Then it compares our measurements to the previous prediction, and finally it changes our next prediction based on the difference between the measurement and the previous prediction. This loop repeats, and in the process it eliminates a lot of the noise that's coming from the infrared sensor. Once we have a cleaned up Kalman filter output, we can accurately detect when there is a fire. From here we can go on to the next step, transmission. This is where EmberAlert can showcase its real ingenuity. To fully operate, an array of EmberAlert modules must be spaced out by roughly 40 meters, which is the rough range of the Bluetooth. When a fire is detected, with the help of a Bluetooth chain, the modules can reach the nearest human within seconds. To demonstrate this, I've connected to the module through BLE, and as you can see, whenever the fire is detected, there's a signal sent to my phone. But EmberAlert actually has one more trick up its sleeve. You see, it actually fights the fire. With its onboard motor driver and a pump, it can spray out water and fire retardants. Here's a demo. One of the biggest challenges I faced was that commercially available sensors gave me digital outputs. Since the digital outputs were based off of a fixed threshold, it was very difficult for me to do my signal processing using Kalman filters. So I had to think outside the box and find another way to achieve those analog outputs. Here's my schematic, and thank you for watching.